I'm Tom, the Sports Explorer. Every week I'm telling the story of our world through sport and adventure. And this week I'm on an adventure to take in one of the most iconic buildings in the world. This week in the United Arab Emirates, I'm on the water as I tell the story of the world famous Burj Al Arab. But first, we need to get there. It's brilliant! And I'm doing that by driving my very own boat from Hero Odysea. These self-drive boats are amazing. You can reach speeds of 50 kilometers an hour and they are untippable. It's the only way you can self-drive your own vessel on the water in Dubai without a license. The Burj Al Arab Hotel in Dubai is built on its very own island, connected to the mainland by a road bridge. It's designed to resemble the shape of a sail of a traditional dhow boat as a tribute to Dubai's history of sea trade. It opened in December 1999 and it's known for its utter opulence, incredible luxury and its stunning setting.
And so, welcome to the Burj Al Arab.
Brandon is my tour guide today.
Well, to be quite honest with you, every day, it stays the same. It's amazing. The icon of the Dubai coastline, and to be quite honest with you as well, the only way to see it is from the water.
The name Burj Al Arab translates to mean Tower of the Arabs. And over 20 years ago, when it opened, it really put Dubai on the map as a tourist destination. There aren't many buildings in the world that tell you where it is just by looking at it. I'm thinking the Statue of Liberty in New York, the Eiffel Tower in Paris, London's Tower Bridge. But the Burj Al Arab is part of that list, isn't it? When you see it, you just think Dubai. The Burj Al Arab is so tall, it's actually 15 meters taller than the Eiffel Tower, standing at 321 meters. Right then, let's get back to driving our very own boat, shall we? You can book tours of Dubai's coastline, including a sunset tour as well with Hero Odysea. I'll put all the details in the description below.
There's nothing like being the captain of your own boat, right? Driving your boat on the coastline, taking in the breathtaking views of the Dubai skyline.
There's the other Burj over there, of course, the world's tallest tower, the Burj Khalifa. I have to say, from the water, you really do get an incredible view of Dubai's skyline. It's been such a great day on the water. It's an amazing way to see Dubai's coastline, and there aren't many buildings in the world that have true iconic status. But when you're up next to the Burj Al Arab, iconic is the only word that comes to mind. And we are back into a safe harbour. What fun that was! A huge thank you to Hero Odysea for inviting me along today. All the details of how you can be on these boats and have a tour of Dubai's coastline in the description below. And just before we moor up, let me just say thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like as well, as I tell the story of our world through sport and adventure. See you next week.